Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the Subaru. I hope you guys are doing good, having a good day, because today the parts that I'm installing is going to make the car look a little better on the outside, which is an exterior part. Let me just tell you guys what I got, since you guys are already going to know on the title. These are the dressup bolts for the APR spoiler. Yeah, I'm going to swap them all out, get rid of all these chrome silver bolts and nuts and screws, and replace them with the ones from dressup bolts. Yeah, so let me just open up the box and show you guys how they look like and what color I got. Comes with the instructions. Yep, so it does replace that one, all these right here, and the ones that mount to the trunk. Perfect. Nice. So those are the big ones. And we got all these. I just gotta read over the instructions on how to install this. So we got the sizes here in the back. And then on the instructions it tells you what size to use. So yeah, let's install this and show you guys how it looks on the car after it's installed on the spoiler. Overall, it's gonna look a lot better than what it does right now. But yeah, let me just go over these instructions really quick, and then we'll get started on everything. All right, so let me go set you guys up by the spoiler. Alright guys, well, there it is. Everything is done. I have all the screws already swapped out. Looks way better than before. I don't know, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But again, this is dressup bolts. I might do the engine bay, because yeah, these look really good. But on the engine bay, I might just wait until I can get fine red. Just so I can match everything else that's red in the car, in the engine bay. But overall, this is what I wanted to do with the spoiler, just kind of make sure everything blends in. I kind of did one red, but definitely looks better black. But got rid of all the silver screws, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So a little update on the car though. On the wheels, tires should be done tomorrow, and I should be able to test fit everything and be able to swap out all the spacers and the studs, the wheel studs for the the parent one, and hopefully everything fits perfect. I did go with 265/35 on the wheels, so for the tires. And yeah, so I can't wait for tomorrow, see how they look and how they fit, and then I should be able to get the wheels on by next week. as long as I finish doing the spacer thing. But overall, it looks good. Let me know what you guys think of these bolts. There are titanium, and yeah, easy process. I mean, the only thing that takes a while for the APR, because obviously you're just re-putting all the screws on there. So yeah, but hopefully I can get this fixed this year. I just need to find a perfect shop, because the one that did my hood, it's already flaking, so I really don't want that. I want them to fix it, and it is ceramic coated, but I don't know. It ate through the sun. The sun ate through the ceramic coating and ate through the clear. So yeah. Overall, looks good though. I mean, I'm not too worried about it. Get that fixed later. But yeah, I just can't wait to get the wheels on, and then hopefully rewrap. I already found my color, so I will be rewrapping it soon. And yeah, but thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this little install, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.